It said something about Genki.
No, don't fucking pay it off, you retard. What the fuck? You wasted so much. You know what happens if you do the deal, the 20K deal?
What?
You lose gang heat.
Hey, you little sad man.
Watch out, there's a cop. You throw you out of the car. You fuck up on this. Oh my god, that would have been the most entertaining shit I've ever seen.
Did you just pay money to a cop?
Nah, he fucking fast talked his ass out.
Did I say you could talk?
Yo, I'm gonna teach you something about the gang.
Yeah, what about it?
Alright, so when you kill,
So I guess the tutorial didn't give me enough.
yeah, I know, right? They don't. And alright, so
One sentence.
when they fuck you. You can't fuck Tony.
Fuck me.
Yeah, so when you kill a drug dealer, you get like 2,000 gang heat, and that shit's serious. But when you do a deal with a drug dealer, you get 300 gang heat off. So keep that in mind. And also, don't pay off all your gang heat. Just take it like a man and retaliate against them when you get it fully. But never bank your money when you have a really high gang heat or really high cop heat.
I thought you were going to say really high amount.
Why?
Because then, like, when they launder your money into the bank, they'll give you a high percentage rate. So it'll take away more of your money.
What you looking at, nigga?
They do that with dealing too.
The fuck you looking at me for?
Oh, you're a real superstar now. Raise ball. My boss, man, okay?
What the fuck does 3.0 mean?
It's kilograms, nigga.
You better buy that shit.
How much is that?
That's a lot.
Stop fucking bleeding me.
You're dead.
Kill him.
You said you didn't get those.
How come I didn't get anything?
Because you gotta talk to this.
You just got 1,000 grams.
Nah, he had that.
Oh, fuck it.
Yes, he has pretty much 30K grams on him. Yeah, you need a speed car. Just don't let a cop throw you out.
Oh, man. What's this game called? Mafia?
Scarface.
I was listening to
Scarface.
Mafia, damn.
Mafia is a terrible game. I actually have
Yeah,
that.
that game is pretty bad.
I thought Mafia was pretty damn good.
Mafia
Niggas are
2 or whatever. The one for the PS3 is good.
Yeah.
First one's fucking.
The first one's, oh my god, it's trash.
This is like I feel like I'm playing GTA right now.
Even the PSP version of it is trash.
You getting shot at, dog. You better. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Fucking you up now, bitch.
Dog, you getting shot at. Abia.
Abia.
Yabehi.
K-da behi. K-da bacon.
I was gonna try
Did that
to
make
more,
it?
but it saved me.
You never did this.
Yo,
I
this
did it
is like.
once when there was like 1.0.
That's a bad excuse. I don't want to hear it. You better give me a good excuse.
Keep playing with me.
Keep fucking.
Relax.
Yo, get some Red Lobster in your fucking life, dude.
Yo, Joe, you need to lock your doors when you drive your car, man.
You're acting like it never happened to you.
It actually did. That's the funny part.
Did it really?
3 times actually.
Oh, it only happened to me once.
Oh shit! I thought you were talking about real
No,
life.
I mean 3 times they took me out of the goddamn car.
They ripped him out of the
Yeah, it
damn
only
car,
happened to me
yo.
once.
Yo, bro, I thought you were talking about real life for a second. Like he needs to lock his car doors.
Yo, his shit's getting fucked up right now.
Did you just
Get
lose
over
money? Oh, you got money.
He's about to lose money.
Yeah, you better get your ass over there,
They're gonna
dog.
break your shit.
For real, you gonna break your legs.
And they're gonna do that.
What are you? You're doing illegal shit right now. What are you doing?
Yeah, Joey's gonna get arrested. Get out of that car, nigga. Go. Oh.
Oh my! Oh no! You are cheap. You cheater.
Oh my god.
Joey is cheating.
He used cheat codes.
For real, he's hacking, dude.
That's Game Shark.
You just killed your teammate.
I don't care.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You don't kill the guy with the defense on them. They're your partners, man.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You killed your own partners.
I don't give a fuck.
You know what? I hope that.
Yeah, he's still shooting.
You fucked up.
Oh my god, they're gonna make you fucking lose. I told you to go launder that money.
Nah, see this is what happens.
Why would I launder it if I'm in the middle of
I don't give a
Cause you
fuck.
could fucking. fucking quit the mission.
No. Hit start, and quit the mission right
You
now.
lose all of it.
Quit the mission right now.
No,
You
you
deserve to
don't.
quit. Start the
don't.
game.
You had that.
Where did
money.
all your crack go? Your crack is gone.
You had that money when you quit a Felix lead mission. You don't lose that money.
Yo, look at that shit. His crack is gone, dude.
Yeah, you should have fucking.
Yo, you know what? This is some bullshit.
That's fucked up.
This is like respawning in San Andreas. All your stuff is gone when you
know
die.
the
No,
worst-
that doesn't happen.
you
in
know
my
the
game.
worst part?
I fucked it up so bad that whenever I die, I get to keep everything.
Well, fuck
you
you up
know-
so
you
bad
know
that you
what's-
wish you wasn't fucked
You know
up
what's
so bad.
worse? You lost all those kilograms.
Dude, you had like 1,000, man. You lost all that shit. All that crack is gone. You know what, Joey? Just get on your knees right now. Get
No,
on your knees.
don't do that. Don't do that.
Dude, you gotta do that, man. You gotta do it.
Don't do that.
He has to do that.
You don't want to fucking pay off. Gang
You
debts
can
anymore.
do it.
Only,
Bruno, stop
Only-
putting bad messages in his head. He knows what he's doing.
only when you possibly need to, you do it.
No, you don't know what you're
Oh
talking
my
about.
god, Jonathan.
Don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
I got 35
Trust me.
mil on deck.
Yo,
think I'm
you call
lying?
that? That's some pocket change, alright?
Woo.
I got 35 bill. I kid, you got
Really?
pocket change. Shut the fuck
I
up.
got 35 trill.
There's no such thing, bitch. I got pocket change. I mean, you got pocket change.
I have so much that they had to get a new name.
I hacked the shit out of you. Be quiet.
What's that M mean? How come it's red?
It's because you're poor.
Because you're.
You're
doesn't-
bankrupt.
Besides that,
Alright. This ain't no Monopoly, but
Fuck
You
yeah, it's
are-
Monopoly.
you-
Look at that shit.
you are technically fucked with your money. But listen, there's a way to recover.
There's no way to recover.
That M means that your front has been fucked to the maximum potential. You're gonna need to fix it, or you're not gonna be able to.
So what
sell-
you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that bitch, fuck her until she like screams, and make her pay you. Yeah, that girl got a knife on him, dog. What? Why you kicking his ass for?
I don't know. Read the screen.
No,
he's a
there's a
black
knife
guy.
on him. You're supposed to knife him, not kick his ass. What's wrong with
How
you?
many weapons?
He's a black guy.
Then you wasted your time on here.
He's definitely a black guy.
You better run away, bitch.
He's a black guy.
He's not black.
Yo, look at him.
Do you see black on
You'll
his
kill him
skin?
now. You'll get his money.
For real, kill him. What are you doing? Turn back around. You need money, you poor bitch. You
I
are
would say that
bankrupt.
myself, but Jonathan, you just did it. But no, you won't fail the mission if you
Wait,
kill him.
hold up. Do you know the last 3 gangs in the Little Havana area are?
The Little Havana gang,
I still need 3 more.
MS-13.
You're totally not gonna fucking
You get money for doing the
I'm
gangs.
telling you, it's MS-13.
wait. Different games you're talking here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and this.
Yeah, I know, but you're not gonna unlock those 3 other.
Sure he
islands
is.
just
What the
yet.
fuck are you gonna judge him for?
No, that's not what I mean.
Don't stop believing.
Show me what you mean. Yo, Jonathan, Journey.
Don't stop.
All right, you got 100% on that.
Alright.
We're in the
Breakfast
Mexicana
at
town,
12.
yeah.
Holy shit, 40K. You're poor as shit. You won't be able to
You
afford
piece
it.
of shit. Disgrace. You have to find something that's free.
Fuck, how do I get to the screen?
Sorry, Joey. This town runs on no free signs.
Oh, right here.
You're cut.